How to make tasty salmon patties. Directions. You will start with a can of pink salmon in water. Drain the water from the salmon. Ingredients needed. A 1/4 cup of breadcrumbs. 1 large egg. A 1/4 teaspoon of salt, add more if needed. A 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper. A 1/2 teaspoon of breadcrumbs. 1 teaspoon of chicken bouillon powder. 1/4 cup of flour. Use oil if you will be using a skillet. 1 tablespoon of butter added to the oil. 1/4 cup of onions chopped, 1/4 cup of bell peppers, chopped. Place the drained pink salmon into a bowl. Use a fork to separate the salmon. Next combine salmon, chopped onions, chopped peppers, breadcrumbs, eggs, salt, and pepper, chicken bouillon powder, mix all ingredients together. Form salmon patties. Melt oil and butter in a skillet. You can place patties on a grill or in a skillet. Turn over after 5 minutes on each side or when done to your satisfaction. Once ready, place patties on a plate with sides. Looks delicious. Now taste and enjoy.